Hey loves, so we just got to Northgate right now. We're gonna do some healthy shopping and I'm taking y'all with me.
No, cheese is unhealthy. We're going? What is it?
So meanwhile, somebody's waiting for the chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and go do some more shopping, see what in this world I will find. We are all done. We only purchase enough food for the week because sometimes we get lazy and we don't want to cook or do anything, so we actually end up eating out. Still try to keep it as healthy as we can when we're eating out, but for now, that's all we're taking. So we are back home. We are done with the shopping, and this is what I got. We got the turkey ham for the sandwiches. You know your girl loves sandwiches. Then we have the turkey burger patties. I'm gonna have these also like a sandwich, but with patties instead. We have the chicken, which we're gonna marinate and leave it ready just to cook whenever we feel like having some chicken salad. So that's why we have the spinach. These were 2 for $4, so I definitely had to get 2. Mustard, I love mustard. We got the eggs, bananas, which is like the only fruit I super love, and we got the tuna. Okay, my love, so that is all for today's little shopping trip. I hope you enjoyed that. All of the stuff that I bought is very simple kind of food to make, like sandwiches and like chicken salads and stuff like that. So very easy stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed that little trip, and let me know if you want me to keep making something like this next time that I go shopping. I have to go shopping for real food because my boyfriend can only handle 1 week of easy making food. So next time I'll take you guys to a real grocery shopping.